Can we tell which direction is north with an analog clock? We can, with the sun and a shadow. Now, we were talking about the FM 21-76 manual. We were using the 1970 edition, and the later editions, this is from the 2002 edition of that manual, incorporates the stick as a standard procedure to create a shadow with which you can easily line up the hour hand. You can see in this diagram the hour hand is in line with the stick and the sun, because there's a shadow that's being cast back. And we're going to dissect the angle between noon and the hour hand, and the direction that goes away from the two arrows. Notice how the point of the two arrows together will say it's going down and to the right. That is going to be your north direction. Now, the important thing to realize is too that this doesn't account for daylight savings times. So we're going to have to, instead of using 12, we're going to have to use 1 o'clock. And that will correct the error that's put in there, that hour error. Okay, I tried filming this with my wristwatch, and it didn't show very well. So what we got here, we got a clock face. I've set it for the time. That's is the example in the manual. And we're going to create a shadow. And what we're going to do is we're going to line that shadow up with the hour hand. Look at this thing fighting me every minute. It's turning. There we go. There. Okay, so now it's oriented the correct way. So your north direction is going to split the direction between the hour hand and the 12 o'clock. Now, we're in daylight savings time, so we have to use 1 o'clock. We can't use 12. We're going to use 1. So if we were to split that distance right here at the 2 would be halfway between this direction going this way would be north. In other words, these, you could imagine this is a little like a pointed arrow, and the north direction is going to be down here. Now, there's a method of just using the shadow of a stick and tracking how that shadow moves in approximately 15-minute increments. But just by the nature of the thing, the more 15 increments you use, the more accurate it's going to be. So let's just say you want to do 3 increments. That's 45 minutes. So you're going to have to stay in that one spot for 45 minutes to get an accurate general northerly direction. So using the clock face and the sun and the shadow is going to give you a more instant reading of that northerly direction.